According to regulatory filings, the world's largest corporate holder of the digital token sold more than 1,600 Bitcoin for more than $108 million total. Strategy sold the Bitcoin at an average price of about $64,200. It's the second consecutive week the company has sold and marks the seventh week in a row it has not made any Bitcoin purchases. Let's find out what the plan is. Joining me now in a Fox Business exclusive, Strategy CEO Phong Le. I get the selling for the moment because you got to raise some cash, because you've got the preferred shareholders that you need to make sure you pay their dividend. But why no purchasing of Bitcoin at all?
Yeah, let's start with some perspective, Liz. We now have 840,000 Bitcoin. Since the beginning of the year, we've bought 175,000 Bitcoin and we've sold 7,000, so about 25x more. And in the last 3 months, we've gone from being the number 2 institutional holder of Bitcoin in the world to the number 1. Right? So I think we've bought a lot throughout the course of the year. We've increased our holdings 25%. I've said we're now the JP Morgan of the digital economy. And we'll get back to buying more Bitcoin throughout the course of the year.
What, does the price have to go down, or do you want to see it go up? Right now, it's at $63,950 per Bitcoin.
Yeah, it's not really price related. What we've been doing over the course of the last few months is adding to our US dollar reserve, right? So we've added 175,000 Bitcoin this year, sold 7,000, and we've actually increased our US dollar reserve to 4.75 billion from about 800 million. So that's been our focus over the last few weeks, and then we'll get back to buying Bitcoin at some point in time. And it's not price related, it's about whether we can do it accretively to our common shareholders.
It was last October that Bitcoin hit 126,000. Obviously, it's been cut in half, 64,000 at the moment. This has lasted kind of a long time. It's come up off the floor. But that said, how much longer do you anticipate this, and would you call it a crypto winter?
Yeah, I think it's reasonable to call it a bear cycle. It's been about 8 months, right? And if you go back to 2022, the last time we had a prolonged bear cycle, that started in about May of 2022. And it really went into the beginning of 2023. So a 8 to 12 month down cycle is not unusual. But what you find, and if you go back and look at the 18-year history of Bitcoin, every time there's a down cycle, Bitcoin comes back stronger the next time.
We've seen that, absolutely true. Never guaranteed, but that has been the history of it since the birth of Bitcoin. The question becomes for investors who bought MicroStrategy at more than $400 a share, and now we look at it, it's at $97 a share. What do you say to those investors who are out there saying this is a sign of financial distress, that Strategy is selling, is actually selling Bitcoin?
I look at the underlying characteristics of the company. We have 4% leverage. We have now 2.7 years of dividend coverage. We have $55 billion worth of Bitcoin on our balance sheet. None of that signals financial distress. I understand, to our common shareholders, the stock has been down. I look at the history since we've been buying Bitcoin. Since August of 2020, Bitcoin has been up 33%. We've been up 42%, right? And so anyone who's investing in Bitcoin knows that it's a long time horizon asset, which has high returns, high volatility. If you're going to invest in MSTR, which is amplified Bitcoin, we have higher returns, higher volatility. Mm-hmm. And those who are looking for a shorter duration asset with lower volatility, that's why we created Stretch STRC. And it is, you do have to have the stomach for the volatility and longer duration to be a common shareholder of ours.
Yeah, it's sort of a buyer beware. This is a rough ride. It is not smooth. Michael Saylor, who of course is the chairman and had been the CEO, he recently posted on X this, and it was a picture of Bitcoin Strategy reserve value with the caption, quote, "doing business." What, can you interpret that for us? What did he mean, doing business?
We've been doing business every week for the last 6 years related to Bitcoin. The big difference between our business 4 years ago is we were basically buying Bitcoin, issuing debt, and buying more Bitcoin. We were levered Bitcoin. What's changed now is we have a lot more options. We can sell US dollars, we can sell Bitcoin, we can sell our prefers, we can sell our equity, and we can buy all of those things. So business is just a lot more options.
Is it a decision made between you two about whether to sell some Bitcoin each week, or is it you? Is it Michael Saylor?
We talk 3 to 4 times a day,
Okay.
and we consult with our finance team, and we listen to our shareholders. But we talk quite a bit, so it's a joint decision. And of course, the board has guidelines around what we can do.
We've just got not too much time left, like 30 seconds, but the Clarity Act. What are you hearing? The Senate has not passed it, and it would give some much wanted guidance and regulation to the industry, which is actually asking for it.
Yeah, look, I think having clarity coming from the government, especially from Congress, would be positive right now. And it looks like they're going to vote for this come mid-September. So I think there's positivity comes out of that. Regardless, there's good rulemaking coming out of the SEC that will progress Bitcoin clarity.
Phong Le, CEO of Strategy. Great to have you. Thank you very much. All right, here comes the bell, everybody. And it looks like it's just, as we said, kind of a meandering, mealy-mouthed Monday. Lots of red on the screen, but nothing too deep. We'll see you tomorrow with Jan Hatzius of Goldman Sachs.